Greetings, Lake Providence Church family and friends. This is Dr. Linda Plummer Ward with another health ministry update, and we are so glad that you chose to join us today. The good news continues in the United States and many areas across the country, including Nashville, Davidson County here in Tennessee. Testing is down as the amount of disease continues to decrease. The number of positive cases in the United States is less than 30,000. That's lower than it's been since June of 2020. The number of deaths also continues to trend downward. Vaccinations have significantly contributed to these improvements, and we thank God for those tools to get us here. The CDC recommends that children 12 to 15 get vaccinated, and once they're fully vaccinated, 2 weeks after that second dose of Pfizer, and Pfizer is the only one available to them, the same rules for choosing safer activities will apply for them as for fully vaccinated adults. They will be unlikely to get COVID-19, unlikely to get very sick from it if they do, and unlikely to spread it to others. That means that they can safely visit grandparents, other relatives, and friends. They will have more freedom to participate in school activities like sports when school opens in the fall. We recommend that you talk with your doctor to decide what's best for you and your family. Now, be aware that a few colleges will also require students, staff, and teachers to be vaccinated for this coming fall session. Now, vaccination is the proven way to protect ourselves, our families, and our loved ones, and to regain the freedom to safely resume many of the activities that we stopped doing because of the pandemic. The vaccination alone will not keep us safe. It's important to be cognizant of our behavior even as the country opens. We keep our faith in God, who by His grace and mercy sustains us and brought us this far. It's not the mask and the vaccine nor the hand washing or the social distancing alone that's gotten us here. These are just a few of the tools that we have that He's given us to move us to this place of healing and improvement. It is indeed God's grace and His mercy that has brought us through these trying times, and we are so grateful for that. We continue to encourage adult vaccination to move us closer to herd immunity and bring this thing to an end. Talk to your doctor if you have questions or concerns. If you plan to travel this summer, do your homework and know the disease situation in your destination. If you travel abroad, it will be important to know that country's requirements for entering and leaving their country. Remember that masks are required for fully vaccinated and unvaccinated individuals on all public transportation in the United States, and will likely be required for international flights as well as domestic flights. In some cases, proof of vaccination may be required. So be vigilant and enjoy your travel. If you develop symptoms, even vaccinated, get tested and don't go around other people, public or private. COVID-19 has not gone away completely. We're still seeing thousands of new cases daily. Fortunately, they are not all as sick as they were in January of this year. The unvaccinated should wear a mask and continue all the precautions as before the most recent recommendations for fully vaccinated individuals. We recommend that the unvaccinated get vaccinated. Those who are immunocompromised should talk with their doctor before changing anything. Listen carefully, because as we learn more, recommendations will change accordingly. As always, be safe, be healthy, and stay prayed up.